It's one thing to be able to sell a solution, but then walk away. We don't want to walk away. We want to become a lifelong partner with you. And how do you do that? Well, you have to invest in service. Hopefully there aren't any problems, but we got to be able to fix it. We got to be able to maintain it. It completes the business. You know, you talk about the circle of life is, hey, you had an idea, we designed it, we built it, we shipped it, and then we're servicing it.
Typically our field calls, I'd say a majority are industrial. We do a lot of mobile as well, but a lot of them are paper mills, especially around Green Bay area. Job sites, I've worked on yachts, Sister Bay, dairy farms, automotive, manufacturing companies. There's hydraulics in almost every product that's made at some point. And a lot of people don't realize that, so it's kind of cool to see it all.
Because the product that leaves here has to work for the customer. So that's why we test all the stuff, make sure it passes inspection, and it's got to be perfect for them. So that all they have to do is slap it on and go.
You know, the thing is you're going to have challenges in industry. You're going to have challenges in life. It's how you react to those challenges. You know, how do you solve them? And that's one of the things that service brings such a key part to our company. When there is an issue, we get down as quickly as we possibly can. We resolve the issue as quickly as we can. And that's one of the things that service does very, very well is respond, service our customers and respond as quickly as we can. And the customers, they recognize that. They understand nobody's perfect. You know, they understand that there's shortcomings. But if you respond and you can resolve them quickly, you know, then you're going to be a better supplier because of it.